Hi there, welcome to Code Canvas, your go to destination for web development. Whether you are just starting your journey or looking to level up your skills, you are in the right place. I will guide you through the building blocks of the web with tutorials on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, WordPress, and many more. Each designed to make complex topics simple and fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an update. Let's code the web together. In this video, we will have a quick introduction to the JavaScript Spread Operator, which was introduced in ES6. So, in simple words, the spread operator is used on iterables like array, string, or properties of objects to expand into more elements. So, without going into much theory, let's check out actual examples. So, today we will explore seven basic but very useful examples of spread operator in JavaScript. So, let's start with example 1. So, first example 1. Here we will have one array. Let a is equal to 10 and 20 with two values. Let b again an array with two values, 30, 40. All right. Now let's log a. It will be 10 and 20, right? So here with this b, array b, if I use a spread operator like this, dot a, that is also an array, and let's see what it is updating in variable b. Now, as you have already guessed, it should be 10, 20, 30, 40, right? So using operator in array, you can append or you can add this array values into another array. All right, what we can do more here with this, let me move here 30, 40 here, and again 60, 70 for example. Then it should be 30, 40, 10, 20, 60, 70. And let's test. Right. Now it is 30, 40, 10, 20, 60, and 70. So this was example 1 where you can update an array using spread operator. Okay. Let's check out example number 2. So let a, again variable a with few array elements, 1, 18, 9, minus 2. And if I want to find the minimum number in this array, what I can do here, using math object math.mean, you can pass a, but if you pass a directly, it will give you not a number. So using spread operator, you can loop through. So it's not basically a loop, but using spread operator, you can find the minimum value. Similarly, you can find the maximum value as well, right? So using spread operator, this spread operator will spread these array elements into each and every individual value, each and individual element. And that's why using math.max or mean will return the actual value, right? So this is where you can use spread operator. Example number 3. So here you can convert a node list to array. What exactly I mean? So first of all, I will create one variable. Divs array is equal to document dot query selector all, and we will pass the div, and let's see what it is returning. So here if you log it will return node list, right? It will return these two divs because we have divs here, but the type of this return variable is node list, and you cannot directly look through this node list. So to convert this node list into an array, you can use a spread operator like this, and now you will have this array. So you can look through this 0 and 1 elements. So when you want to convert a node list into array, node list to array, you can use spread operator. So this is one of the best example for spread operator. Let's check example number 4. You can pass array elements as function parameters. So to check, we will have one function constant add. We will use here arrow function, and in this function we can pass x, y and z. Here return x plus y plus z. All right, here let's take another array, 1 2 and 3 values, because we have 3 variables here. And what we can do, we can call this function add, and you can pass a, but like this, using spread operator. Okay, and see what it is returning. It is returning 6, 2 plus 3 plus 1. If you remove this, then it will return 1 2 3 undefined, because it's an array. You cannot pass array into this argument like this, because it is returning one value. That's why passing this spread operator will give you the correct output. So when you want to pass an array elements as function argument, function parameters, you can use spread operators. All right, example number 5. Okay, so next example is used to copy array using spread operator. So for example, let's say we have constant array a is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, and constant b is equal to spread operator a, and let's try to log b and see what it is returning. So now it will return 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3, and try to check the a, then it will give you 1 2 3, right? So using this spread operator like this, here what we are doing, here we are copying all the elements of a given array to the another new array by the use of spread operator, right? So this is very useful example when you are dealing with copying the array using spread operator. All right, let's check out example number 6. Example 6. All right, so here you can concatenate two arrays using spread operator. How? Let a is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, and let b equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7, for example. Okay, and if we want to concatenate these two arrays, what we can do, a is equal to spread operator a comma spread operator b, and let's log a, then it will return 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and again if you check b, it will be 4 5 6 7. So what I have done, I have assigned this concatenate array values into original array a, and that's why I have used this a, and using this spread operator to combine or concatenate two arrays, I can have the original array modified, right? So this is also a very useful use case when you are dealing with two arrays and you want to concat two arrays. The last example, example number 7, how to clone an object using spread operator. So for example, I have one object, right, user, and there is the property name is Bob, and age age is 30, for example, right? So let me log this user, and it will return this object name and age, right? So before that, what we can do, we can take another object, a cloned object, a clone user, you can say a cloned user, let me keep it like this, is equal to, just like array spread operator, you can use object spread operator as well. Using in spread operator, you can use on objects as well. And now you can use a clone user variable and see what it is returning. So it is returning the same object because we are cloning the same object here using spread operator, right? Also, you can add properties to an object using spread operator. How? Let's say we have this name, age, and this clone user as well. So keep it as it is. We can create another object, constant object1 is equal to these two values a and b. So this is one object, object1, take object2, and here what we can do, you can pass a spread operator like this, object1. Again, you can pass whatever other values you want, and you can see what it is returning. So object1, so let's see what object1 is returning. It is returning 1 and 2. If you check object2, then it will return 1 a1 b3 c4, a1 b3, because we are overriding this b to 3. In object O1 we have b value to 2, and here in object O2 we have b value to 3, and that's why it is returning a as 1, b as 3, and c as 4. All right. So using spread operator, you can also add properties to an object. All right. So we are we have looked total 7 basic examples, but very useful when you are dealing with objects and arrays in JavaScript. All right. That's all for today's video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more web development tricks and tips. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Keep coding, and I will see you in the next video.